In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Chime, Cash App, and SoFi using a direct feature table on a consumer finance hub like Wallet Hub. To begin, open a trusted consumer finance comparison website and load the direct comparison feature tables for these three services. The goal here is not just to glance at the brand names, but to use the side-by-side layout to quickly spot how each platform is positioned. A comparison table is helpful because it puts key features in one place, making it easier to evaluate practical differences without jumping between multiple pages. As you review the table, first contrast the primary focus of each service. Chime is generally centered around basic checking and everyday banking tools. That makes it useful for people who mainly want a simple account for spending, saving, and managing routine money movement. Cash App, by comparison, is much more focused on peer-to-peer payments. Its core strength is sending and receiving money quickly, so that's an important distinction to keep in mind if convenience between users is the main priority. SoFi typically aims for a broader financial relationship with a stronger emphasis on comprehensive wealth management. That means it often extends beyond simple banking into a wider set of financial products and planning tools. Next, verify which accounts actually pay real interest on idle cash balances. This is an important part of the comparison because some services are better for simply holding money than others. When you check the table, look carefully for wording around annual percentage yield, interest-bearing balances, or savings-related features. The key here is to confirm whether your uninvested or unspent cash can earn something while it sits in the account, rather than assuming all fintech platforms work the same way. Even a small yield can make a meaningful difference over time, especially if you keep a steady balance. After that, inspect the physical cash deposit methods for each service, along with any retail fees tied to those deposits. This matters most if you regularly deal with cash and need a convenient way to add it to your account. Look at where deposits can be made, such as partner retail locations, and pay attention to any per deposit charges. Some platforms make cash loading fairly accessible, while others may rely on more limited options or higher fees. Be sure to compare both availability and cost, because the cheapest option is not always the most convenient, and the most